welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we will discuss with signs of pregnancy. Here we can see the three things. That is, here it is a presumptive sign. Presumptive sign, and then probable sign. Another one is true sign. Here true, that is the confirmatory. Here true sign is a confirmatory sign, and then probable is a hopeful sign. Here it is a hopeful sign, and then it comes to the presumptive. Presumptive is nothing but a doubtful sign. Here it is doubtful sign. Here we can see in presumptive, that is doubtful sign. Here we can see the quickening, and then cholasma, and all the basic signs. Here all the basic signs, in the sense, easily we can come to know, that is amenorrhea, breast changes, and then urinary frequency. After that, morning sickness. These are the basic signs. Okay, we'll see here what is quickening. Quickening is nothing but it's a first fetal movement felt by the mother. Normally, the mother in the womb, she will feel the first fetal movement, that is at the 16 to 20 weeks. It is impossible. Here it is impossible. And then next comes to the cholasma. Here butterfly signs. We can see the butterfly signs. When in body there is a melanin level increased, that time we can see the black spots on nose, forehead, and also neck region. That is called cholasma. And then here all the basic signs. Here it includes amenorrhea. Here, except pregnancy, there may be the other causes for this. Here for the menopause also they will not get this one, monthly cycle, and then after there may be some hormonal imbalances. Okay, comes to the second one, that is breast changes. It's not only for this one, pregnancy sign. There may be breast cancer. There may be some of the related disorders. Heaviness, they will feel the heaviness in breast. And then comes to this one, urinary frequency. Men can also feel this. Frequent urination, and also there may be the UTI, urinary tract infection, urinary cyst. There are other reasons except pregnancy. And then morning sickness comes to this one. Here morning sickness, it's not only for the pregnant women. Here it may be by the food poisoning or taking this one cold beer at night. These comes under doubtful sign. Comes under this one, presumptive. These are the presumptive one. Next, we see the true, confirmatory. Here 100% diagnosed. 100%. That is, one is fetal heart sound, fetal heart rate. After that, USG, and then Doppler, color Doppler, and also here radioskeletal examination. These are the tests that confirms the pregnancy. That's 100% confirmed, that is true signs of pregnancy. We can see in this stage. And then remaining all signs comes under the probable sign. That is hopeful sign. Here it may be It may be Hagar sign, and then Piscaset sign, Goodell sign, or this one Braxton Hicks contraction, and then also Palmer sign, and then it may be Chadwick sign or Jacmere sign. Remaining all signs comes under this one. Okay, we'll see the important one. Here, HCG counter test. Here in counter test in UPT, urine pregnancy test, if HCG level increases, if it increased, HCG level increased, it's a test, a positive pregnancy test. It's a confirm. It's also a sign of true sign of pregnancy. When that in urine pregnancy test, when there will be the increased HCG, that time also it is a true sign of pregnancy. True sign of pregnancy. If it doesn't show increased HCG in the urine pregnancy test, again it comes under the probable sign, hopeful sign. It comes under probable sign, hopeful sign. This is all about the pregnancy signs. I hope you all are very clear with the topic that pregnancy signs. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative sources. Thank you for watching.